Hi everyone, this is Mark reporting live from Kanen Coffee, showing you here we have an Andreja Premium. It came in for leaking seals, and what we do in that situation is we do an overhaul on the group head, replacing the seals and moving parts, and do a deep clean and replace the group filter. And yeah, we'll give it a test here. Steam one. Good steam. Hot water. We also lubricated the spring in this hot water valve. It was squeaking. Alright. Give it a moment, we'll pull a shot. There we go. Perfect. Alright, as you can see, everything's working great. Thanks for tuning in, and please like our video. Thank you.